Hi, it's me, Sir Hendrik from Hendrik Academy. On my previous video, I have explained how to solving a quadratic equations through factorization. Right now, through this video, I will explain another strategy or another method how to solving a quadratic equations through formula. Before I begin this lesson, please click like and subscribe for this video. Afterwards, taking your pen, your notebook, and let's study with me till the end of this video. All right, let's begin. The formula, uh, I mean to find the root of quadratic equations or quadratic function is this formula. If y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, which it's a are not zero, yeah. X1 and x2 you could determine through this formula. Negative b plus and minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Another mathematics teacher usually write down this formula as negative b plus and minus square root d. What is d? D is discriminant. Yeah, discriminant b equal b squared minus 4ac. All right. In this video, we're gonna use this formula to find the solutions if you will find the roots of quadratic functions or a quadratic equation. All right. Number one, x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. We're going to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Okay. If we identification these equations, a equal 1 because a is coefficient of x squared. B equal negative 4 because b is coefficient of x. And c equal negative 12 because c is constant number of these equations, quadratic equation. All right. Afterwards, for me, my first step is I will find d. D is b squared minus 4ac. It means negative 4 squared minus 4 multiply 1 multiply negative 12. And we get a number through this calculation 16 plus 40 48. Yeah, 48. You got a number 64. All right. And the next step, using this formula, x1 and 2, negative b, it means positive 4 plus minus square root 64 over 2 multiply 1. Okay. So 4 plus minus 8, because square root 64 is 8 over 2. And there are two values of x. First x is 4 plus 8 over 2. And second x is 4 minus 8 over 2. Now we will calculate x1. Our first x is 12 over 2 equals 6. And second x, negative 4, because of 4 minus 8, negative 4 over 2, negative 2. So there are two values of x are 6. Yeah, x first is 6 and second x is negative 2. All right. Now number 2, x squared plus 8x plus 12 equals 0. If we identification these equations, coefficients of x squared is 1. It means a equal 1. B is coefficients of x, there is 8, and a constant number of these equations is positive 12. Next, I will calculate D or discriminant. Discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. It means 8 squared minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 12. 64 minus 48. How much? 16. All right. And next, I'm going to use this formula. x1 and 2 equal minus 8. Yeah, minus 8 plus minus square root 16 over 2 multiply 1 equal negative 8 plus minus 4 because square root 16 over 2. It means first x equal negative 8 plus 4 over 2, and x2 or second x equal negative 8 minus 4. So different between first x and second x. First x negative 8 plus 4, while x2 equal negative 8 minus 4. All right, next calculate. Negative 8 plus 4, negative 4 over 2 equal negative 2. Negative 8 minus 4 equal negative 12 over 2 is positive negative 6. Yeah, so there are two values of x. First x is negative 2 and second x is negative 6. All right. Now we move to the next question and answer. Number 3, negative 2x squared minus x plus 6 equals 0, and 3x squared minus 8x plus 4 equal 0. Firstly, identification. The coefficients of x squared or A equal -2, B is the coefficients of X is -1, and C, the constant number is 6. Afterwards, find D or discriminant. Discriminant is B squared minus 4AC. It means -1 squared minus 4 multiply -2 multiply 6. And we got 1 plus because negative multiply negative, 48. 4 multiply 2 multiply 6, 48, and D equal 49. Right. I'm going to use the formula to find roots of this quadratic equations. X1 and 2 equal -b plus minus square root d over 2. It means negative b equal 1, positive plus and minus square root 49 over 2 multiply -2 equal 1 plus and minus 7 over -4. Right. So now we're going to find first x. First x is 1 plus 7 over -4. And second x equal 1 minus 7 over -4. So look the difference between first x and second x. First x 1 plus 7, meanwhile second x equal 1 minus 7. Yeah. Now we're going to calculate. Become 8 over -4 equal -2, and second x equal -6 over -4. Negative divided by negative become positive. We could simplify, become 3 over 2 or 1/2. Right, so first x is -2 and second x is 1/2. Right, now number 4. I will begin with identification. A, or coefficients of x squared, is 3. B, coefficients of x is -8. And C, the constant number of these equations is 4. Now, next step, we're going to find discriminant. Discriminant is b squared minus 4 AC. B squared, it means -8 squared, 64, minus 4 multiply 3 multiply 4. 64 minus 48. How much? 16. Now I'm going to use this formula. X1 and 2 equal -b plus minus square root d. Square root discriminant over 2a. And next, the next step is -b or negative of -8. It means +8 plus minus square root 16 over 2 multiply 3 become 8 plus minus 4 square root 16 equal 4 over 6. Now we're going to find first x. First x equal 8 plus 4 over 6, and second x equal 8 minus 4 over 6. First x equal 12 over 6 equal 2, and 8 minus 4 is 4 over 6 equal 2/3. All right, so first x we got 2, and second x we got 2/3. All right, students, if you have any questions, or maybe some of you need my further explanations, you could send your message to my email hendrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you for your watching, and thank you already joined with me till the end of this lesson. See you